diamond's gotta be here somewhere. Be easier to find if... Oh, that was me. Huh. Look, when I leave someone for dead, I expect them to die. You can't even do that right, can you? You did something right on the carousel? You, a guard. You couldn't guard against underarm odor.
Just like your time, sir.
Take a chill pill.
No!
Oh, the third diamond. It's beautiful. Now it's mine.
And to think, I nearly abandoned it when I left you to die. Oh, the irony.
And now, it's time for the big chill.